Hey, so we actually arrived in Bergen now. Yeah, I don't know. For me, the ferry was not that nice. I mean, it was really good that we had a cabin.
Oh yeah.
I think, yeah, I mean, you kind of directly fell asleep when you
Right.
lie down. So I
I
think,
was really done
yeah,
yesterday evening.
I think it was really worth it. For me, I don't know, I felt a little bit sick, like the constant movement of like up and down, left, right, even if it's just slight movement. I don't know. I was not feeling that well yesterday evening before falling asleep, but hey, we're off the ferry now, so feeling a lot better now. Yeah, so basically, I think around 10 a.m. we had to leave our cabins already, which meant that for the remaining
Like
two
two and a half
and a half
hours.
hours, yeah, we sat outside on the deck. Yeah, I don't know. In the meantime, we kind of also drove through some clouds, kind of.
Right.
It was a little bit foggy. So it was also pretty wet outside. But the good thing is that they actually had, I don't know, like glass windows and a glass
Yeah, some
ceiling.
protection.
Yeah.
Wasn't that windy.
Yeah.
It wasn't that cold either.
Yeah.
Even though it was like 10 degrees maybe.
Yeah.
Even though my phone said -12, but I guess that was a mistake.
Yeah. And so, yeah, around 12:30 we actually arrived here in Bergen, got off the ferry, and now we are kind of, I don't know, I think in the center of the city almost. Yeah, as you can see. Just having lunch, and then we will see. Like for today, there's not much driving planned actually. So we'll mostly, I think, just visit 1-2 more spots in the city or walk around a little bit and then already leave.
See what we can find. Drive some nice roads within the confines of Bergen.
Yeah.
Then check out our
Accommodation.
accommodation for the night, or even the next 2 nights.
Exactly. So it's a little bit outside of Bergen, but I think it will be really nice, and it's also like close to, I don't know if it's small fjord or some water, river,
It's next
whatever.
to the water, and it's
We'll see.
a small cottage for ourselves.
Yeah. And then tomorrow we will explore this region a little bit more. Also drive, I think, on one of the, I don't know if it's particularly island, probably is, that we already passed by ferry, so that will be interesting. But yeah, for now, exploring the city.
Right.
Hey! So we have arrived in our accommodation for the night.
Yeah, we got a small cottage here on a camping ground near Bergen.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Looks great. Well, there's the camera. Like this. Yeah. Also a small area, at least with a fridge.
Yeah, like tiny kitchen area, whatever.
Yeah. And I mean, of course, like the toilets, showers, kitchen, and I think they also have a shared TV room. Are just like a couple of buildings next to our small cottage here. So yeah, also motorcycles are just parking right outside the door.
Yeah, that's really comfortable.
And I mean, currently in here, the heater is working really, really well.
Right.
So we have it properly warm in here, because outside, as of right now, it's not really that comfortable anymore.
It's 8 degrees right now.
8 degrees.
It's not that warm. It was also pretty cold today.
Yeah.
But I mean, we came from mainland Europe, so yeah, it's a bit colder.
I think we had maximum of 12 degrees today, but I think mostly 10 also in the afternoon. But yeah, so we're going to be staying here for 2 nights. So yeah, basically, I mean, as you saw today, we visited Bergen, like with also like the historic part of it. Also went up some kind of mountain / hill to get a nice view, and tomorrow we will just stay in the area, drive around a little more.
Check out the coast.
Exactly.
That's the plan.
And also I feel like relax a little bit, as I mean, we were able to sleep on the ferry yesterday, but I still feel a little tired as of right now, so I think it's good to not have that kind of a long tour tomorrow.
Yeah, but we already bought some food. We went to Spar, which is a small supermarket nearby.
Yeah.
And we brought some food mostly for tomorrow. Also some snacks to bring along, and some
Yeah. The only thing is, I mean, the internet here is not that fast. So for example, I'm still trying to upload the video of yesterday, and I think we will see how it turns out if I continue working on the thesis, if I need to load any more papers or whatever. So how efficient that is going to be, but yeah.
Right.
I think we'll manage.
Yeah, but other than that, we're very fascinated by the light.
Oh yeah.
Since it's still light outside, even though it's almost 11 p.m. So like we're used for it to be night by now.
Yeah.
But I guess we will see how it turns out if we go to if we go up north next week, like up to Trondheim, where we just researched that there is not really any night, but is like a little bit dim but still light outside throughout the night, which will be a first for us. And so we're excited for that.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, but until then, enjoying our evening here.